Hi there. This Valentine's, I'm surprising my wife with an extra special romantic dinner. Together with Monte Kitchenomics, I'm going to make mussels and chorizo in herb tomato sauce. This is an interesting dish that combines the flavors my wife and I both love. Okay, first step, I preheat the pan, add my olive oil, add some sliced onions, and chopped garlic. I'm adding the chorizo. I want to cook it some more para it releases its fat. So now I will add cooked mussels. Then I'm gonna add this white wine. I am gonna add our Del Monte Original Style Tomato Sauce. Del Monte Original Style Tomato Sauce is great for a dish like this because it has the perfect blend to fuse all the flavors together. So we'll add the mussel stock, a little bit. Everything has to be in good ratio. So I'll add a sprig of rosemary, thyme. Trust me, when you guys use fresh rosemary and fresh thyme, world of difference. Add salt and black pepper. Now, it's quite ready. I am going to turn off the heat, then I will add our butter. Why? If you add it off the heat, it will melt slowly, then you're left with a creamier sauce. And last, a squeeze of lemon juice. This Valentine's is extra special for me because this is our first as husband and wife. That's why I wanted to make something memorable and meaningful to the both of us. And our dish is done. I like the combination of the chorizo, the mussels, the Del Monte tomato sauce. It's simple, it's quick, and I can't wait for the missus to try it. With a few simple ingredients and a little creativity, making a memorable dish for somebody you love is not so difficult. With Del Monte Kitchenomics recipes, you can definitely spice up your Valentine's Day with easy gourmet. You can find this recipe here and watch here for other recipes I've created with Del Monte Kitchenomics. Thank you mga ka-kitch and happy cooking!